In this video, we bring to you an Airstream Architectural Marvel built like a spaceship using 6 shipping containers in Crackenback, Australia. Welcome back. This interconnecting 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom freestanding chalet is located on the pristine foreshore of Lake Crackenback Resort. Formed around 6 shipping containers, the dwelling contains a large family residence with an attached, fully self-contained flat. The use of Corten and corrugated steel sheets to the lower floor with stainless steel sheets to the upper story creates a spaceship-like structure that is constantly changing with the alpine setting. The main entrance to the first unit opens into an entrance lobby with cupboards on the side. From the entrance lobby is airy living space with quirky design features that seamlessly intermingle with plush comfort. The large open-plan living space features a cozy lounge area furnished with comfy lounge chairs and a floor mat to define the lounge space. From the lounge area is a gorgeous kitchen. The kitchen is fully outfitted with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and the counter and overhead custom designed storage cabinets. The kitchen has a center island that can also be used as a breakfast counter that can comfortably seat 4. Next to the kitchen is a lovely dining space that can comfortably seat 5, defined by a colorful floor rug. The dining room has large floor-to-ceiling glass windows which offer a wonderful and peaceful space to start or end the day. Off the open-plan living area is a family room fitted with a comfortable sectional couch adorned with lots of throw pillows, a small window for daylighting, a cupboard fitted with a sliding wooden door, and a smart TV for your entertainment. Next to the family room is a spacious bathroom fitted with luxurious bathroom essentials. From the bathroom, a sliding barn door opens into the first bedroom. The first bedroom features a king-sized bed with quality linen and ample pillows, a closet, and glass windows that allow in cool winds to stream and light up the space. Past the first bedroom is a laundry room fitted with a washer and dryer. A small hallway from the laundry area leads to a sun-filled media room. The media room features a cozy couch, a TV, a fireplace for the cold nights, and large glass windows. The glass windows give you the best view from the couch. An elegant floating staircase leads to the second floor. From the staircase landing, a short hallway leads to the master bedroom. The master bedroom features a queen-sized bed with super comfy beddings, windows for natural light, blackout shades for sleeping in, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with all the space in the world. The master ensuite features a comfortable bathtub with a lot of natural light from the glass window, a toilet, a shower space, and double vanities. Attached to the first unit is a fully self-contained second unit. From the entrance lobby of this unit is a cozy living area with a comfy couch, a TV, and a small window for ventilation. From the lounge area is a sleek single-wall kitchen that features stainless steel appliances under the counter and overhead storage cabinets with some open storage, quartz countertops, and well-finished kitchen backsplash. Defined by a colorful floor rug is an inviting dining area for 4 that lies next to the kitchen. A door in front of the dining area leads to the laundry room. From the kitchen space, a short hallway that connects to the first unit and also leads to the rear exit leads into a well-lit media room fitted with a comfy couch, a TV, lots of glass windows to bring in amazing views. Under the staircase is a stunning contemporary bathroom fitted with a shower space, a toilet, and a vanity space. A floating staircase leads to the upper floor, which accommodates a master bedroom with a double bed, windows that splash the bedroom with refreshing daylight. Upper floor accommodates a dressing area and a stunning master bathroom. The amazing interiors of both units are fitted with big glass windows that maximizes natural lighting, while a mix of recycled materials, including the signature containers, have been cleverly used to create an industrial chic effect. The inside of both units is associated with many elements in wood, which create an atmosphere that flirts with the industrial style. Hardwood floors are used throughout the home, not only adding a touch of elegance, but also bringing out a bit of indoor warmth. The interior walls are painted light to make the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. The high ceilings on both units is a smart design element that creates a feeling of airiness, openness, and spaciousness. From outside, there is no single hint this amazing home is made from shipping containers. The mix of Corten and corrugated steel sheeting on the lower level and stainless steel on the upper story provides a structure that is continually changing with the alpine surroundings. This house is fitted with the proper roofs above the containers to keep away harsh weather elements. This is one of the best shipping container projects that explores what can be done using shipping container modules. Which part of these amazing houses appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to this and more weekly videos on shipping container living around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.